How to recover deleted photos on Snapchat, My Eyes Only. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in Snapchat support. Then tap on the first search result of Snapchat support. Under these video shortcuts, tap on My account is compromised. Then at this page, scroll below and under here, type in your email address and your username. Once you do so, type in your phone number that is associated with your Snapchat account, and under the description of problem, simply type in that you would like to recover the photos that you have mistakenly deleted on My Eyes Only. Make sure you type in the correct email address and phone number, and once you do so, solve the CAPTCHA and tap on to submit. Once done, all you have to do is wait for Snapchat support team to contact you back. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.